guys, so today's hair is from Eullair Hair. I do have their chestnut brown wig. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. She is in 24 inches and the density on her is 180%. As you guys can see here, this is the construction of the unit. There are 3 combs in total and there are a pair of drawstrings at the nape. This is what the lace looks like once placed on my head. I did notice that it was pre-plucked. Of course, the knots are bleached because it's a chestnut brown. This is the length. Like I said, it's 24 inches. But before we go any further, I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and detangle the hair thoroughly. Off camera, I'm going to go ahead and spray some lace tint on it instead of foundation. And now I'm taking my 𝚘𝚘𝚒𝚘 high Insta hold spray and I'm going to use this to secure my unit. I'm also going to take my blow dryer and use it on a cool heating setting to let the hairspray set a little bit before laying my lace on top of it. Once the glue or hairspray is tacky, then you can go ahead and start laying it down. Once I place the lace where I would like it, I take the end of my comb and use that to firmly press it in just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then I begin to secure in the opposite sides as well, using the same steps that I've given prior. So I was trying to decide how I wanted to style my hair, so I just ended up doing a middle part. After I create the part, I am going to put some heat protecting on it, and it's from Beyond the Zone. Do make sure you let this sit a little bit before putting your hot comb on it because it will like give you excess steam. This is I think it's oil based, so that's why it does that. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe contouring shade and we're gonna place this on the outside of the lace. I just want it to blend in a little bit more with my forehead. All right, so now that we're done hot combing it, I am going to take some scissors and create some baby hairs. This step is optional. You do not have to do this, but I cannot live without baby hairs, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to take a little edge brush and spray some got to be glue on it, and that's what I'm using to create my baby hairs. With this unit in particular, it was just very, very easy for me to create my baby hairs. I know it just takes me a long time in general to do on between like 30 minutes because I like my baby hairs to look a certain way, but I love, love, love how flat this unit was around the perimeter. It came pre-plucked, so sis, you won't have to go in and thin it out because like it literally came like this and I was amazed. Also the color, y'all, I'm completely obsessed with this color. Like when I do different colors though, I have to get used to it though because like I said, I'm not really used to working with color, even though I've done chestnut brown before. But all colors take time to grow on me. But as you guys saw there, I just placed a little bit of concealer in the part to make it pop. Like I said, this unit was 24 inches, but I did decide to cut layers in it. And when I did cut layers in it, I did actually cut it a couple of inches shorter than it. So I could have cut it up to 20 inches, between 18 to 20 inches. Like I said, I was going for a more layered look, but then I just wanted it shorter just for this specific style. So that's what you see me doing here. But I love the gradients of the browns in this. You see different highlights, you see different contrasts of brown, and I feel like it was so freaking pretty. I love this color. All right, guys. So I did switch sceneries. Like I said, the sun was going so far down I could not see. So I'm in the bathroom, just sectioning off my hair and adding some hairspray. The products I use will be listed down in the description section below. I did pick up that Sebastian Shaper plus spray. I think that's what it's called, from Sally's, and y'all, it is a lifesaver. Um, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing some back curls, if that's what it's called, because yeah, girl, I don't know. But that's what I'm doing. I wanted to change things up a bit. I'm so mad because I didn't have like most of my products with me. So if I had like colored my eyebrows the same color this hair, I feel like this look would have been about, it would have been fire, okay? But it still doesn't take away from the unit itself. As you guys can see, the curls are very, very pretty. I feel like this is definitely getting us ready for the fall, okay? So if you guys are looking for warm golden ginger-ish chocolatey golden brown vibe to start the fall off, y'all, I'm telling you, this unit will be your best friend. It will. we are all complete. Look at this beauty. Look at the color. Everything looks so beautiful. Now I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and just combing out the curls just a little bit so they can lay the way I would like them to lay. So I'm just gonna play with it a little bit. Y'all, this hair is so bomb. I don't care what no one says. This color is so beautiful. It's definitely fall ready. No bleaching needed, no coloring needed, no pre-plucking needed. None of that, y'all. This unit is ready to be installed. I did have minimum tangling. Shedding was minimum, but that is it. All information will be listed in the description section below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.